Hey guys, I made a promise to the Red Bridge Butcher that if I could do the Berserker Challenge in under 4 minutes, I would post it. I achieved that today with a time of 3 minutes and 59 seconds, which qualifies as under 4 minutes. So I'm going to make good on my promise and post a video. I did change the rules a little bit. In the original Berserker Challenge from Lockjaw, you use one tensioner and one pick. I'm going to use one tensioner and two picks because some of these are a little easier with a quad rake instead of a quint. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get myself set up here and see how we do. It was going too smooth. That one's about done for. I'm not super great at zip attacks, but sometimes they work. There we go. Nice. Well, Not 3 minutes and 59 seconds, but it's close enough. I think I'll count that one. So, yeah. That was me making good on my promise to the Red Bridge Butcher. It was pretty big inspiration, and he's a hell of a dude. Sent me all these cool locks to practice with. I've got like tons of locks to practice with. This Brinks, this Brinks, this one, this one, this one all came out of the box he sent me. So yeah, that's me making good on a promise. Guess I'll see you guys later.